Hello everybody, today I want to create one video about sheet metal in SolidWorks. I was find this article in internet. One my mate also proposed me to find a solution how to create swept flanges in SolidWorks with holes. Uh, I will show you comparison of this model in SolidWorks 2005 and 15 and SolidWorks 2016. But we will create not only this model like on picture. I will create model of corrugated metal pipe, maybe from metal, yeah, from metal. And I will show you, and I will create holes in this pipe with flattening process of this corrugated metal pipe with holes and with flattening with holes maybe. Yeah, something like this, maybe like this, yeah, like on this picture. Okay, let's create this model in SolidWorks 2015. First, I must create a path on the top plane. I will use sheet metal, Swept Flanged operation, and I need a profile and path for this operation. Let's create a radius, something like this. I will create small clearance here, cutting, maybe 1 millimeter will be better for this radius. And let's create a path profile for this corrugated metal pipe. I will not use standard pipes. I will create it faster with profile from my brain. Yeah, this will be good. Let's create pattern of this triangle. And let's create radiuses, or maybe I will create radiuses directly in operation. Go to sheet metal, Swept Flange. Choice first, you must choose profile for operation, this, and choice path. Yeah. You see we have a radius here. I will try to change this radius, and you see this radius is changing 2 millimeters. I will not use any factors, K factors and other parameters for this operation. I will use it simply. Need to wait. Yeah, it's ready. but one thing, do not forget to choose this flatten along space, and maybe material inside. Yeah. Okay. Model was building. Also, you see many flatten operation in this window, and you must suppress rib bending operation. Okay, let's save this model and give name corrugated metal pipe with holes. And flatten. Save. Now I will show you flattening of this model, how to make a flattening. I will make different colors. Press this. Okay, something going bad. Maybe I will show all these operations. Okay, I have flattening, but this is incorrect. Sorry, really sorry. Back to first operation and suppress this mark. Sorry, really sorry. Yeah, now it's better, and let's suppress all these swept bends. You will receive corrugated sheet metal, flat sheet with all profile, like in original. Yeah, looking cool. What's next? I think I will create a smaller radius for this operation. It's very big radius, and we receive a very long flattening sheet. Alright, let's suppress this operation, and now I wanna create holes on this bending object. For example, my first hole will be there. Let's choose front plane and draw hole profile here. I will not cross these lines, radius lines. Now I will make simply 3mm holes. I will show you different versions of hole creation on corrugated metal pipes. And let's make a cut extrude up to next choice in this window up to next. You see silhouette of the hole and press OK. And you will receive hole on this radius, on this rig. Let's save this model and let's create flattening with this hole. Press unflat, and you see we do not have hole here and here. I will create a pattern of these holes. Equal spacing, maybe 50. Let's save this model. Let's create flat pattern again. Nothing, we do not receive holes here, and you asking me why. In helping, you will read this article on site javelintech.com. You cannot receive sheet metal swept flanged flat pattern in SolidWorks 2015. This function is available in SolidWorks from version 2016. Also, for using finding maybe any articles, what I use in search, I use swept flanges, SolidWorks, maybe like this, or maybe flat, yeah, flat pattern. Maybe, oh yeah, I find this tutorial, this. Also, you can search by these keywords: SolidWorks, sheet metal, Swept Flanged with holes. Yeah, and you will find different articles. I'm not sure in correct articles with full clarifying explanations. Yeah, this is also similar. So model like I have now. Well, this article would be very helpful for me because I do not understand that in SolidWorks 2050 cannot reach this flatten with holes. Alright, now I will open this model in SolidWorks 2060, but be careful before you open this model. You must close all this. You must suppress flat. Why? I will show you. I will close this model and open in SolidWorks 2060. Okay. Now I want to back this flat in bending. Oh, everything fine now. Now it's correct. You previously you watched model without holes. If you see here, now I make it bend. Receive this model in a new version of SolidWorks, and let's create new flat. holes. I don't know really where is the problem, but I will try to fix this problem. I think I understand what's happened. Maybe I will create smaller radius, diameter of hole. No, not helpful. I will recreate these holes from first operation. Alright. Suppress this flat. And let's create new hole here in new version of SolidWorks. Press up to next. Another. Do not choose normal cut. I will show you what's happened when you choose normal cut. This do not create cutting holes, or you can receive a hole with bad profile, with chamfers, with cones. Alright, let's try to flat this object. Really, I do not understand what happened, but previously I was received a better result in another model. I will try to create larger step of this car gates. Maybe like this. Alright, let's try to create new flat. Oh, and you see hole on this unbending metal, sheet metal, with waves and with hole on wave. I will try to create larger radius, diameter, sorry, of the hole, and it shows me mistake, maybe 6 millimeters. Okay, now it's fine. I think it's problem. Need to research more this operation. Let's create pattern of this hole. I will create axis and pattern along this circle. Equal spacing 30. Okay. Let's flat this. It gives me mistakes. Maybe need use geometry pattern. Anyway, it gives bad result. But I'm decide to make this profile, reference profile first operation without using radius settings. Inside this operation of Swept Flange, I will create bending radiuses inside in the sketch. 3 millimeters, and let's choose all these points, maybe 6, 5, 8. 8 is good, and let's use this profile. Alright. A mistake with hole, and I will recreate this operation once again. This distance, coincident, constraints. Yeah, now it's fine. Now you see this hole is straight without any transitional surfaces inside. I think now I will receive good flattening with holes and with holes pattern on the flattening sheet of corrugated pipe. My computer is breaking. This operation is very hard for computers. I have a powerful computer, but this is really difficult, and it's negative effect on calculation of operation. Okay, let's try to flat this. need to wait. I will stop video, and this is giving me errors. I will try to remove one of the hole. I think I understand something. We must close, we must suppress all this, some of these operations inside. I think I must find main general bending. Yeah, this. Okay. Next, suppress this flat. Show this hole, unsuppress hole. Alright. Let's flat again. Really, I do not understand. But previously I was received good result. I will show you my model with different holes on the radius. And hole which cross not in one segment, and this working perfectly, but without some holes, maybe without this flat and without this hole. Yeah, you see it's working okay. And I can make flat and bending of this pipe. This operation should be researched because really for me it's difficult, really. I will try to fix this problem in that tutorial. I will remove all holes, all operations in this file, and we'll create everything from start. Alright, we have profile, we have test, and let's create Swept Flange. need to suppress some operation inside. Leave only this last for round bending. We do not need ribs. And we suppress this swept bends. Let's check. Okay. Save this model. Let's make flat. Alright, everything cool. Next. Now I will try to create hole in this model. Let's choose right plane. I will not use dimensions for this hole. Press up to next. Do not use normal cut. I think I will show you what will happen when you use normal cut. You will receive hole not exactly straight. And it will happen negative effect on flat operation. Let's remove this. And try to create it once again. Yeah, I will reach it. Oh my god. Let's find this hole. Where is it? I cannot. Yeah, it's here. Did you see it? We have flat corrugated pipe with hole. And let's try to create pattern of these holes. Okay, press OK. I will not sure about choosing option geometry pattern for this whole pattern. Let's try. That happened. Let's try to use geometry pattern. Oh, I see it's crossed with yeah, did you see? I understand what's happened. Did you see? Yes, it crossed with line, closed line for this pipe. It's not correct. Okay, I will recreate pattern. Do not need to use geometry pattern. And let's choose number 28, maybe. Yes. Oh, 32. 28, I think. Yeah, 28 will be fine. If you see, we do not have hole crossing on this gap. Let's resave model and let's try to create flat. Cool. Yeah, we will receive it. We have many holes along this path. Let's unfold. And if you see in flat, you have holes only on the start, and you do not have holes here on this path. I think it's problem of geometry pattern, and you must choose this option in circular pattern. Let's choose geometry pattern. Okay. Let's make flat again. Unsuccessful. Maybe need to not use a close spacing. Maybe I will use pattern like this. Unsuccessfully. Maybe need to use geometry pattern. I will try it. No, maybe do not need to use. Oh, yeah. Unsuccessful. Maybe another version. Let's try to create double direction in our whole operation. Create circular from 20 holes. I think it should be reset. I will remove this circular pattern. And I will try to create transitional hole on not only on one radius, not only on the one rib. I will create it more larger. Hole like this. Choice up to next. Let's try to make flat. Unsuccessful. will try to make it once again. Because I really have similar model like this, which has different kinds of holes as well. No, it's not good. I will change this hole on SWOT. Maybe it's like a kind of error when hole cross some segments of ribs, and it's not possible to create maybe geometry condition error. But if you see, I have a hole here, a SWOT hole. Also, I will try once again. Yeah, you see, I have a hole here, but it's not hole. It's like, I do not understand. Was it a figure? Maybe pineapple. Maybe need to use normal cut here, but I know it gives me problems in geometry. Yeah, it gives the problems in geometry. Also, let's try to create SWOT which cross not some of segments. SWOT like this. I think it's not will be work in flat. Yeah, it's not working. Let's try to change the SWOT. Something like this. Fixing and moving. Impossible. But possible with holes. Not impossible with patterns. Patterns of holes on equal spacing. Maybe I'm making something wrong. Maybe somebody tells me how to reach this task. I will use 10 holes. Let's watch what we receive now. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's create 11. No, 11 should be in another side. Need to create new pattern. over, choice axis, choice future, equal, not equal spacing, another direction, 10 degrees, 10 holes, maybe let's create 20 holes, and let's watch what we receive. Yeah, it's better. You see pattern of holes. I understand how to make correctly. Now I understand the secret. Yeah, now you see. No, you do not see all holes here. Bad. Really bad. Maybe it's a software problem. Really, I do not understand what's that. But anyway, thank you for watching. I will send this model on GrabCAD, and you can use it for your works, for your study. Thank